Hello, back again with another Visual Pinball standalone guide. This time I'm going to demonstrate how to extract the script from a VPX file and also how to fix a U22 Rom error which affects some tables like Theatre and Magic, Theatre Houdini, amongst others. Thanks for watching and let's get on with it. As you can see, having loaded the Theatre of Houdini table, the DMD in the top left corner of the screen depicts an incorrect U22 error for this game. Let's fix that. So we've returned to the Batocera systems menu and now we're going to press F1 to bring up the file manager. We're going to select ROMs on the left hand side and then navigate to our vPinball folder and click in it. Then we'll enter our Theatre of Houdini folder and identify our VPX file. We're going to highlight the VPX file and select copy, then navigate to the sidebar, the share folder, and we're going to paste it inside the share folder. Once I've pasted this file, I'm going to rename it. I'm going to shorten the file name to Theatre. You will see why in the next step. It just makes the next step easier. Next we're going to navigate to the sidebar again and select Applications and then select Exterm. Once in Exterm, we're going to want to extract our VBS file from the VPX file that we've just renamed. I've placed an enlarged version of what I'm typing in the middle of the screen to make it easier for you to see. Also note that Linux does differentiate between upper and lowercase letters, so they will need to be as shown on the screen. Hit the return key to begin extraction, and once extracted, type exit followed by the return key again. Once back in the file manager, we can now identify our VBS file and also our VPX file. The VPX file can now be deleted as it's no longer needed. So we're going to delete that now and confirm yes. Next we're going to highlight our VBS file, cut it and return to the ROMs, vPinball folder, navigate to our Theatre of Houdini folder and paste the file here. As Theatre of Magic and Theatre of Houdini use the same ROM, this fix will work for both tables, and luckily there's a couple of ROMs available that both tables can utilise. So I'm going to double click the VBS file to open it, and once inside I'm going to navigate to the search function. I'm going to search and I'm going to find. I'm going to search now for the Tom_14 ROM because I know that this table is using Tom_14 HB, so that's what I'm going to click find. As you can see, our first search result is the Tom_14 HB ROM, which is highlighted in quotations here. I'm going to change this file name now to the Tom_13 ROM and make this table utilize the 13 instead of the 14 HB ROM. Once I've amended the file name, I'm going to click on File and Save. Now I can click on File again and Quit. A quick click in the ROMs folder reveals many ROMs for this table. We have no need to worry about the other ROMs, which are prototypes and software revisions. We only need to worry about the _14 HB and the _13 ROM. Next thing we're going to want to do is rename our theatre.vbs file. The easiest way of renaming this is by selecting the Theatre Review D&E VPX file, selecting rename, but not renaming it. We're going to copy the name over to our theatre.vbs file, click rename, delete this text here, and then paste from the VPX file the name. Next we're going to select File, close window to return to Batocera's Systems selection menu, and then we're going to select Game Settings and Update Games Lists. Next we're going to run the table again, Theatre Rudini, and if we look at the DMD on this table, we'll see it says Testing, Revision 1.3, press Enter. And as you can see, we've got a request to insert coins. This table's working perfectly fine now. So our mission is complete. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment, like, or even better subscribe. Thanks again, and I'll catch you on the next one.